Just look at the beautifulness. Oh, and then hear the quacking. Taking their bath. Got the wall built. So for any of you that were worried about my horse's weight, it's okay. She's going to a vegetable diet. She's only eating veggies now. She's getting healthy, LOL. Eating lettuce and peppers. They're supposed to be for these guys, but she prefers them, I guess. Hi, Cracker. There you go. We're all sitting on their chairs, benches. Yak, yak. Did I mention how much I love this guy? Cheese is like the coolest. My son calls him my redneck chicken. Hi, Mark. What you talking about, Mark? Yeah, okay. There's Baldy over here. Hi, Baldy. Hi, Baldy. There's Raven. Hi, Raven. You eating a pepper? No? You're too fat for peppers, huh? Dorothea, coming around the corner. Hello. Hello. Carl is my boyfriend. Look at Toast. Toast is up there all fluffed up. They like hanging out on their chair and bench I gave them. There's old Diane up there, little Diddy. Oh, Raven's in. And then there we go again. Pecky, does my boots taste good? Because it really hurts when you get my leg. Oh, again? Come on, do better, Peck. There's food right next to you. Hey, Jeff. Hey, Jeff. Oh, and there's Autumn. Here comes little Alfie. Hi, Alfie. Hi, you're so cute. Eat your pepper. Okay, hi. Hey, Mark. Here's Mark again. Jeff, be nice to Autumn. There's Lucky back there. Hi, Lucky. Hi, Lucky. There's Pecky. Be nice. Oh, wait, no, that's Roosty. Hi, Roosty. You're getting fat like Pecky. Mama Fance. Mama Fancy. Hi, Fance. Hi, you're so cute. Fance. Eating her pepper. Good, Mama. Ready for your wormies? Are you ready for them? All right, here they come. Breakfast worms. Breakfast worms. Let's get your wormies. There you go. There you go, your wormies. Yum, 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 yum. Look like Pac-Man going at it. So today on the menu we got broccoli, romaine, and red bell peppers. And I thank my friend at the cafeteria at the middle school for supplying me with all of this yummy food for them. They love it. They love it. Leave my boot alone, girl. You leave my boot alone. There's food out here. Hi, Sonny. Yeah, they love the peppers. I guess I should say the veggies because they like it all. Everybody's fed and watered. Roger's happy. Chickens are happy. They're all eating their veggies. Pretty soon Gyps will come out here and finish up the scraps. Yep, looks like it's gonna rain. Be another gloomy day in Indiana. But all the chickens are happy and I'm happy and hope everyone has a wonderful day. Sometimes Smokey likes to chase Jamerson. Come on, Jim. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Smokey, bad cat.